Well, everyone, it's been another really good day. Honestly, I think all of us can agree 2024 is going really well thus far. I think I can admit that. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Yep. Very, very well thus far. Guys! Cinders and ashes. Percy, please, never do that ever again. I am not joking. You almost gave me a heart attack. Please, never do that again. Sorry, Thomas, but it's important. I just checked the calendar. I remember this is the 40th anniversary of the television show. It is? Oh, yeah, you didn't know, James? That's incredible. Thank you. Thank everyone who's watching so much. Wait. We can't just say thank you to everyone. Why not, Gordon? Well, the fans deserve so much more than just a thank you. We should make something special for them. You're right, but what should we make? Oh, I've got it. You know what people love so much on the internet? Remakes. So, why don't we remake the first episode of the television show? You know what? Good idea. Roll the clip. Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. He's a fussy little engine too, always pulling about coaches and cars for the big engines to take on long journeys. And when the trains come in, he pulls the empty coaches away so the big engines can go and rest. Thomas thinks no engine works as hard as he does. He liked to tease them about it, especially Gordon, the biggest and proudest engine on the line. Thomas often liked to tease Gordon with his whistle. Wake up, lazy bones. Why don't you work hard like me? One morning, Gordon returned to the station after his big train. He was just going to sleep when Thomas came up in his cheeky way. Beep, beep. Wake up, lazy bones. Do some hard work for a change. You can't catch me. And off he ran laughing. Instead of going to sleep again, Gordon thought of how he could get back at Thomas. One morning, Thomas's crew couldn't make him start. His fire kept going out, and there was not enough steam. It was nearly time for the big express. Everyone was waiting, but the coaches weren't ready. At last, Thomas started. Oh dear, he groaned. He quickly fussed in with the coaches, wherein Gordon was ready. Hurry up, you, said Gordon. Hurry up yourself, said Thomas. Gordon thought of a plan. Yes, he said, I will. Thomas usually pushed behind the big trains to help them start, but he was always uncoupled first. This time, Gordon started so quickly, there was no time to uncouple Thomas. The train went faster and faster, too fast for Thomas. He wanted to stop, but he couldn't. Peep, peep, stop. Come on, keep up, said Gordon. Hurry. Poor Thomas was out of breath and his wheels hurt him. He wished he could stop. I shall never be the same engine again. My wheels will be quite worn out. At last, he stopped at the station. Thomas was uncoupled and felt very silly and exhausted. Next, he rolled onto the turntable, thinking of everyone laughing at him. Then he rolled onto a siding out of the way. "Well, little Thomas," said Gordon, "now you know what hard work means, don't you?" Poor Thomas couldn't answer. He had no breath. All he did was puffed off to drink, and had a long, long drink. He puffed home slowly, telling himself never to be rude to Gordon again. Okay, enough of that. Enough of that. No way we just got everyone excited for that. Well, I guess it could have been better. We're not really professional by any means. Well, what do we do now? We're just toy trains, so how do we do anything with this? Well, I guess that's up to the audience to decide. What do you think we should do now that we've made a production for the 80th anniversary? No, sorry, 40th anniversary of the show. Yeah. End of video. Bye.